Hey, this is Chuck from Monocoque Metalworks. This 1967 E-Type Roadster is for sale. This car is fully restored, it is all matching numbers, and it is 100% turnkey. This car is ready to go, it has been well cared for, and it is fully serviced. So go ahead and take a look. There's a few videos of it running, and then there's a long series of photos that come after that. And as those photos are being shown, I'll tell you a little more about the car. This E-Type really does check all the boxes. This is the one that you want. This car was built in October of 1966, and that was really the peak of Series 1 E-Type refinement. It has all of the features that you want, but it doesn't have any of the further emission controls or safety items that people tend to look down on. This is a true investment grade E-Type that is well restored, and like I said before, it is well serviced and it is ready to go. This car is the later 4.2 liter car, so it has the larger 4.2 liter engine. It has an improved cooling system and intake manifold to go along with that. It also has the full-synchro 4-speed gearbox. It's got the better Series 1 braking system with the servo unit, and it has the much more comfortable seats in it that do recline a little bit, but the comfort level is greatly enhanced. It does have all of the Series 1 features that everybody looks for. It's got the triple SU carburetors, the covered headlights, toggle switches. This car was restored several years ago, and it has been lovingly maintained and kept in a climate-controlled garage ever since. It's finished in a correct Jaguar British Racing Green with the tan or biscuit interior. There was a total frame-off restoration. Everything was rebuilt, and as you can see from the videos, the car runs flawlessly. As you go through these pictures, you'll see that everything is properly detailed, it's properly restored, the undercarriage is impeccable, tires are good, everything's ready to go. When I listen to the videos here, everything sounds correct. Everything from the click of the seatbelt to the whine of the transmission, the sound of the engine, everything is perfect. This is the one that you want. This, you fast forward over 5 years of restoration that is fun, if that's what you're into. And I mean, let's face it, my life revolves around that kind of thing. But a lot of guys don't have the time for that. You might not have the facilities for that at your home. With this car, you just fast forward straight to the end and start enjoying it. All of that work's been done for you. It is fully sorted. It is fully serviced. It looks amazing. And I highly recommend just stepping right into this one and enjoying the fall driving season. This E-Type is virtually identical to the one that I drove in high school and college, and what started my love affair with these cars and eventually was the impetus for starting Monocoque Metalworks. My car was a 63 Roadster. It was British Racing Green with a tan interior just like this. I currently have an additional E-Type, which is a 67 Roadster that is red with a black interior, and it is only a few numbers away from this. So I can tell you from experience that this is an amazing car and that this is the one you want. There's really no, I've driven, of course, many cars, and there's just nothing else like an E-Type. The way that it fits you personally when you get into it, and just more the tactile feel of the switches, the steering, the gear shift, the seat, and the way that the feedback of the road comes into you. It's almost like you're driving down the road with no car. It just fits you perfectly. The experience and the sounds and the smells, the gearbox has a specific little whine to it between about 2,000 and 2,500 RPM in third gear that just really lets you know things are happening and we're taking off now. The car, you will find yourself going out into the garage to look at it almost every night. There's just something about it that calls to you and demands your attention. It is impossible to go somewhere in the car, park it, get out and walk away and not look back over your shoulder at it. It's just It's a thing of pride. It's almost like you and the car are now together. There's just something about it. And that's really where we come back into this being the purest form of the E-Type. The 67 has all the looks and feel of the Series 1 with the covered headlights and the smaller mouth and the smaller turn signals. It's really the form that Jaguar intended. And after that, they changed it not for their own purposes for performance, but instead because they had emissions coming in from the US. They also had safety standards. And so they had to start going away from their vision of the car. So right in October of 66, when this is born, they had finally refined this thing just to the way they wanted it. And only about a month later, they had to start making changes for what other people wanted. So again, this is the one you want. This is an investment grade E-Type. It is restored by a well-known restorer. It's an older restoration, but it has been lovingly cared for and really curated by the previous owners. They've taken care of it. They've driven it every once in a while, but not a lot, because they also had a Series 2 Roadster that was pretty much their driver. And so that one got driven while this one just got loved and ogled over in their garage. It's been recently serviced. It's all ready to go. It's got fresh fuel, oil change. It's cleaned up. I know I sound like I'm kind of overselling it, but I know what's going to happen to the person who buys it, has it delivered, gets in, turns the key, and really just starts living that dream. So I highly recommend this. It's in my personal color choice. It's really ready to go. We have a clear U.S. title. There is a heritage certificate that confirms that it's all numbers matching. We can help you with delivery anywhere in the U.S. or worldwide shipping if you need that. The car is currently located in Georgia, and we can arrange a personal examination and viewing of the car, and even a test drive if you like. So don't wait. The great cars go fast. This is a really great one that's ready to go. And there is a decade of cheap thrills here waiting for you. So call now, because like I said, they go fast. Thanks for watching.